If you've ever applied for an SBA loan and received a rejection letter, you're not alone. In fact, 40% of SBA applications are denied, and most are rejected for the same 5 reasons. My name is Edward from OGS Capital, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what those reasons are, using real rejection language from actual SBA lenders. Before we dive in, here's what you'll learn. The 5 most common SBA loan rejection reasons. Real lender language used in rejection letters. Practical fixes you can apply before resubmitting. And how OGS Capital structures business plans that get approved. So let's start with a quick overview. The 5 reasons SBA lenders reject business plans are: Number 1, no logical revenue assumptions. Number 2, missing debt service coverage ratio in the financial plan. Number 3, relying on national market data instead of local data. Number 4, a weak management section. And Number 5, submitting a plan that isn't tailored to the specific lender. Let's go deeper on reason number 1, no logical revenue assumptions. This is one of the most common rejection triggers. Lenders want to see that your projected revenue is grounded in real data, not wishful thinking. If your assumptions aren't clearly tied to market evidence, pricing strategy, and realistic customer acquisition, underwriters will flag your plan immediately. The fix? Build your revenue model bottom up, starting from unit economics, pricing, and clearly defined customer segments. Every number should be defensible. Reason number 2, missing debt service coverage ratio or DSCR. The DSCR measures whether your business generates enough cash flow to cover its loan payments. If it isn't explicitly calculated and presented in your financial plan, lenders assume you either don't know what it is or that your numbers don't support the loan. The fix? Include a clear DSCR calculation in your financials, ideally showing a ratio of 1.25 or higher, which is the standard SBA benchmark. Reason number 3, using national market data instead of local data. Lenders make decisions based on local market conditions, your city, your trade area, your competitive landscape. When a business plan references only broad national statistics, it signals that the applicant hasn't done real market research. The fix? Replace national averages with local data from sources like census reports, local chamber data, and comparable business benchmarks in your specific geography. Reason number 4, a weak management section. Even if your financials look great, lenders need confidence that the team behind the business can actually execute. A management section that lists job titles without connecting relevant experience to the business model is a red flag. The fix? Rewrite your management bios to directly connect each leader's experience to the specific challenges of running this type of business. Show why this team is uniquely qualified to succeed. Reason number 5, submitting a plan not tailored to the lender. Different SBA lenders have different priorities, preferred industries, and risk tolerances. Sending a generic business plan that could apply to any lender shows you haven't done your homework. The fix? Research your target lender's portfolio, loan history, and stated preferences. Customize your executive summary, industry framing, and risk mitigation language to speak directly to that lender's criteria. Now, let's look at all 5 rejection reasons and their fixes side by side. When you see them together, a clear pattern emerges. SBA lenders reject plans that lack specificity, defensible data, and lender alignment. Every fix comes down to making your plan more precise, more local, and more targeted. This is exactly why OGS Capital uses a 5-step process to structure SBA plans that get approved. Step 1. We build revenue assumptions from real market data. Step 2. We model DSCR into every financial projection. Step 3. We conduct local market research specific to your trade area. Step 4. We craft management narratives that connect experience to execution. And Step 5, We customize every plan to the specific lender's priorities before submission. If your SBA loan application was rejected, or if you want to get it right the first time, OGS Capital is here to help. We offer a free consultation to review your existing plan or start a new one. Visit our website or click the link below to schedule your call today. Don't let a preventable rejection stand between you and the capital your business needs.